Welcome everybody. Today is another business show by the student media. We got Kevin here, and we got a special guest. You want to introduce yourself, or do you want us to introduce you? You just go ahead and introduce yourself since you don't even have a camera.
Yeah, my name's Antonio. This now I'm Antonio from Memphis, Tennessee. My entrepreneurship started like 5-6 years ago. I started my own trucking company because at first I was on the college route. Like I got a master's degree in criminal justice, so that's where I was headed at first. And then I was introduced to my cousin. He told me about starting my own trucking company because I had CDLs. I never thought about driving, but it's very profitable, and I think a lot of people should join it.
We're going to go ahead and throw it over to Kevin. What we're going to talk about today, Kevin?
Today we're going to talk about our free business plan template and how it's going to change your life.
All right. But before we do the template, we do have to go to, we're going to take a quick commercial break. We'll be back after this.
Do you need help with your business plan? Well, this is a free business plan class, and I'm your instructor, the director.
Now we're back, and before we get to the actual template, let's go ahead and talk about some breaking news for the day.
It's like, because we need to talk about Trump and what's happening. The state of our nation. Let's talk about the state of our nation.
Is Santonio still with us?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so what do you think about the whole ear going out? Because I remember Mike Tyson having an episode, remember, right, with the boxing guy, and his ear came off, but that was a total different thing. The world wasn't. So his ear came off,
right,
and we thought that was atrocious. We just like, oh man, I can't believe Mike did an ear off. So how do you feel about this with Trump ear? Because this was a whole shooting assassination attempt.
Right.
How does this compare to Mike Tyson's Holyfield ear incident?
One was a competition. One was the attempted murder. One was a competition where it was a violation. Both were violations.
Both was violations.
Yeah, both were bad violations.
Yeah.
Now, I think Mike Tyson took a big shot. Actually, Trump got shot.
Two things had in common
he was all red. I don't know.
Both of them was great, and the devil was trying to stop them.
You said what?
Only thing that story got in common is both of them was great, and the devil tried to stop both of them. The devil know the world needs Trump in office other than this idiot. That nigga just kept on headbutting him. So Mike Tyson had to do what he had to do.
Show the actual photos of it, though. That's what I want to see. They're probably not going to show any photos of his ear. They're going to just show him next time he has an appearance.
Let's see if
his ear covered up.
Yeah, there you go. But I can't. The one that whose ear was worse. I know we're not making fun or light of the situation.
No, we can't make light of the situation.
We're just trying not to bring. Important questions need to be answered, and we need to tone down the rhetoric in America. How about that?
Absolutely.
We need to definitely.
I believe, yes. We need to lower the temperature. That's what they're all saying.
So before y'all counsel us, get ready for worse.
But then there was another incident right after shooting outside the RNC. Zoom in on his ear real quick. Well, let's see.
But I would definitely say that. Oh, got it. So I would worse. I wouldn't
take a
say
screenshot of that. And then we're gonna put them both up next to each other. The Mike Tyson or the Holyfield ear, and then Trump's ear.
Yeah, it's pretty bad, man. But what I like about what Trump, where the video at? When Trump turned around and he says, "Hold on, I gotta put the fist up." Yeah, this is when I knew he won. That's when I knew he won. I was like, Trump, the other person that be like, hey, I'm fixing to, this is my moment. I'm in the jail, bro. Yeah, Trump is but we really do need to go over some of the business plan. So before we get to the RNC shooting, let's go ahead and pull that up so everybody know we get to it. So RNC shooting. All right, so live update. We'll go over that in a second. So basically, MeChat Universe is an HBCU for entrepreneurs, and I think Santonio tells it well. How would you describe it, Kevin?
I believe that we provide.
What are you doing to your eyes, bro?
Oh shit!
we need to go to a transition.
If you need help with your business,
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I had to wipe my eyes out.
So we are going to go over the RNC shooting. So we have that coming up later in the show. We also have.
Do we need to go through any financial topics? And the Drake and Kendrick Lamar beef.
Yeah, that's over.
I mean that died down after Kendrick did it.
They do have Congo and they do have Palestine, but that is kind of like touchy. I don't want to make light of neither one of those subjects. So, okay, so this is MeChat Universe. What would you say? MeChat Universe, the HBCU for entrepreneurs. How would you describe this, Antonio?
A place where everyone can come and learn how to become an entrepreneur. Like we have schools for people going to learn a trade, people going to learn how to get more education to become doctors, lawyers, police officers, but no one has a school on how to become your own boss. Listen to her.
What's up?
Listen to her, kid.
I'm saying if you see us at all.
Yeah.
Jeffrey got one of them Jeffrey and John head, don't? Yes, but yeah, everybody should come. It's on, and we're gonna have it on Wednesdays and Thursdays. We're gonna explain to you how to become your own boss, especially if you have a family there holding you back. If you think that anything in your life is holding you back, whether you can't get daycare because people don't go to work because they don't have how to watch their kids. But if you was your own entrepreneur, you can work around all that because you make your own schedule. And people won't be telling you what I'm not.
Zoom came in and Zoom said you only got 9 minutes left for your guest to be on here. So let's go ahead and go through it, see what you know, see if you can help. See, we're going to go through this, compare to everybody else, see how much of this you know. So I'm going to go ahead and log in and start this because we only have 9 more minutes with our guest. So
sorry about that.
I actually don't know the password for this. We can't go over this. Next time you're gonna have to come back. We only got 9 more minutes. I gotta get the password and everything. I didn't know that they had locked me out. It's like the site is super secure. Like everybody's stuff is encrypted when you write it. I will go over this stuff with you, but it's gonna go. We got 2014. Got some pictures of us.
That's dope. Oh, that's pretty dope.
You need a business plan. So you need a business plan to access our 3-in-1 technology. So you'll be seeing us out. Some of MeChat Universe representatives will be out, like talking to business owners, getting them out.
Right.
If you want to be able to join, just click that up there. You can join for free, but you can also do our career mode, which, as it say, our HBCU run on donation. So whatever you donate, these are the packages that you like. The gifts that you will get for how much you donate that month. So if you start free, then once you reach $19 in donations, you'll start getting even more. Once you get 360, and then so that's how it works. Once you hit certain thresholds, you get more stuff that you can do in the HBCU throughout the school year.
Okay.
Do you have any more closing words, Antonio, before you go?
No. Hey, I know I'm trying to get this off the rail so I can clean out my teeth. Because I have ran out toothpaste in the side of my teeth. So it don't matter. Hey, don't put no sun and milk on there.
Okay, so that's... All right, Kevin, do you have any closing words?
I believe that we're making, we have a great plan and we're ready ready to go.
Thank you everybody for being here. If y'all want to check the show out, tune in Tuesdays, not every day, Tuesdays and Thursdays. What's the day? So hopefully Santonio join us. We salute you truckers. Y'all keep the nation going. We come on at Tuesdays, 4:30 to 6.